Unreal Engine 4.2.6 allows animators to create, blend, and edit animation clips directly in Sequencer, using a familiar non-linear workflow without needing to return to the DCC tool. These animation clips can be driven by FK control rigs, as well as a new experimental full-body IK rig, which can themselves be driven by blueprints. The full-body IK rig allows animators to quickly build biomechanically accurate animations. Looping and branching options have also been added to control rigs, allowing animators to create collections of items which can then be looped through using fewer control nodes to achieve similar animation. The Sequencer animation tools now allow for blending animations together by matching bones up from each animation and modifying the root motion of an animation clip. While working on animation clips in Sequencer, artists can visualize root motion as well as the skeletons of each clip, making it easier to match them up. Animation clips can now be worked on directly in one of two ways, via an FK control rig or by baking a custom-built control rig into an animation clip. Once an FK control rig has been created, every bone can be edited and keyframed in Sequencer without needing to go back to a DCC tool. Keyframes and curves can be filtered and adjusted. This lets animators modify current animation clips or even create all new animation sequences, which can then be saved and linked to the Sequencer track. Making changes to linked animation sequences in Sequencer will automatically adjust the animation sequence to match. By leveraging inversion or the backwards solver in a control rig graph, a custom control rig can be baked onto a skeletal mesh. This allows for intuitive animation in Sequencer by allowing the artist to animate the control curves rather than each individual bone. When importing from DCC tools via FBX, Unreal now supports importing control data in sparse curves. The import process allows for name-based matching and mapping to control rig types. Sequencer animation is now easier than ever, providing intuitive and powerful rigging and animation tools, allowing animators to spend less time going back and forth between Unreal and an external animation tool. Animators will now be able to create believable, control rig-based Sequencer animation in less time and with great results.